Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If we put number 2 going here and here, you got ln number 2 minus ln number 2 and you got 0. 2 minus 2, you got 0. So we can apply about L hospital. So we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. First, the derivative of ln s, we have 1 over s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one, first derivative of s, we have number 1. This one you got 0. And then we just have only 1 over s. And we put number 2 in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.